What's up?
What's up, man? Outfit check muna, outfit check.
Saan ba tayo pupunta?
IKEA. IKEA is so fun.
Sino kasama natin?
Papa and
Tita Iling. Mama Jen. Ate Min. Dilim?
Magaling na. Galing na yan. May nakabiti sinabi mo. Sorry. Uy, beef pares!
Meron talaga, beef pares. Wow, oo nga, ang galing.
Ayoko mag-beef pares, nakapares ka.
Dapat pala hindi tayo nagpares kanina.
Cheese, ikaw, isa na.
Woo! We're here! Kakain na kami ng IKEA food. Hanap muna tayo ng table. Ang daming tao. Pero manageable.
Pipil na ako kapag ayan na lang muna dito, tapos bahala na kayo. Ikaw na bahala sa inyo, sino na bahala sa kanila.
Sige. Where's mom? Oh, pila tayo ha.
You will stay there or you know. Sorry, don't. I'm sorry. Dito na tayo para isang day na lang.
Yeah. Ready ka na bang gumit ng food mo?
Kuya, ikaw din ba?
Ready ka na?
Ano nga ba yung pina?
Ha?
Ang haba? Okay lang. Ganun talaga eh.
Get your trays. Dito ka, kuya. Sige, go. Move forward ka. Tapos get ka ng tray.
Ayun na bahala sa akin.
Ano ng... Uy! Sprite?
Ayun lang daw. It's a cheat day. Sige, sige.
It's just a cheat day.
Share tayo ha. Tapos, ayun na bahala kung order mo.
Alam mo kuya, mas maganda. Kumuha ka na lang nung baso para only drinks ka dun sa drink station.
Huh?
Huwag ka na kumuha yan. Get ka na lang nung baso. Ayun o. Kasi only drinks ka dun sa drink station. So, ang dami nang in-order ni kuya. Ay, wow! Diet. Ayun pala mo. Ito yung kay dad. Napakadami. Pero for sharing naman na. Oh, kuya, may turon pa oh.
No! No.
Ano ito? Mango sago. Ito gusto. Wala po.
Wala na ako kasama sa mga
Wala. Oo, ayan na. Nagbayad na si Ma. Wala, ang dami naming food.
No!
Take out na lang pag di naubos. Let's go.
Pwede na pupuntahan nila kita dito.
Bakit? Woohoo! We're excited. Yes, that's for you. Ang dami! Hindi ko na-imagine na ganito pala karami yung kukunin natin. Oh, syempre yung gusto nyo. Pwede na mag-take out pag di naubos. Oh. What can you say about the food that you're eating right now?
I'm forgetting my vegetables.
How is it?
And I have more protein.
Wow, ang daming protein. Lalaki na yung body mo niya. Yeah?
Napunta ba si Ate May dito?
Yes. Na-traffic lang sila.
Bakit ang traffic?
Eh, sa EDSA kasi sila dumaan, so traffic daw.
Alam ko, nag-control. Maayos yung panas.
Okay.
I escaped.
You escape?
Yeah. I was right behind the
Nabusog ako, sobrang solid. Tita, papa, ay naman tayo sa vlog. Tita. Hi, vlog ni Dad. Hi, vlogs. Dali,
Rate the food.
Spaghetti, 5 out of 10. Tinatry ko lang kumain pero di ko naman maubos.
Asin.
Yung cheesecake, tsaka yung biscuit, sarap. Pero 10, tapos yung inubos ko.
Mango sago.
Mango sago, 10 out of 10.
What about
Chicken tenders, tsaka skewers na pork. 11 out of 10. Sobrang sarap, tsaka solid. Tsaka, yung, ano ba yun?
Ano ba kinain?
Sparkling lemon, tsaka sparkling raspberry. 10 out of 10. Sobrang solid talaga.
mo? Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag ka na kumuha ng Sprite eh.
Ay, ma'am na. Binigay ko na yan kay ma'am.
Yung
Sobrang
meatballs.
solid. Ay, naku. Sige, 10 out of 10. Sobrang solid mga tol. Si Tita tsaka si Papa.
Meatballs?
9 out of 10.
Sinuloso ni Papa yung pag-rate eh.
This one, 10 over 10. Pares 10 over 10.
Wow! Kay Tita, kay
Yung
Tita.
tita. Lahat na.
Everything, 10 over 10. Oh! Eh, ka muna, wait lang. Eh, ka muna. Oh!
Ayan na.
Oh! Ay, nakapagod. Kuya Jason, nandito kami! Dito kami!
Magto-toilet yata sila. Ayan si Ate Alay.
Ate!
Hindi, okay na ako, te. Kayo na ang umupo.
Nag-EDSA kasi kami. Traffic na. Tapos sarado pa yung yung taas ng GMA.
Oo, isa ka mo nun.
Grabe, outfit check ni Kuya Jason! Kuya Jason, dito!
Opo.
Ay, ate!
What lang people?
Hi.
Grabe naman.
Si Kuya Jeff, nasa na? So ako nga pala, sabi ni LA. Sing ka.
No!
Dance.
No!
Napakita mo na ba kay Papa yung dance steps mo? Yung bago mong dance moves. Paano ba yun? Show me. Show mo sa vlog. Para mapapanood natin sa YouTube. Yung bago mong dance step. Sige na.
No!
Come on. Sige, mamaya na lang.
shop.
What is that?
Insta360.
Wow. Is this camera?
Yes.
What for?
Kuya, what is password?
Ha?
Password.
Wala kayang password eh.
I'm gonna shoot.
Hindi, ako na lang. Wala. Ito. Ano sila kaya kinakausap nito?
What is that?
Insta360!
Can I...
Try mo!
Is this on?
Yes! Naka-record!
Is this recording now?
Yes!
Look, what's this?
Oh, Kirby satisfied oh!
Is that good? How do you zoom in?
So...
Can I do that?
No!
How do I zoom in?
Wala! You cannot zoom in.
Just like this?
Yes, it's
Oh,
like
ayaw
this.
mo kaya panood na to. What is that?
What did you find?
No, no!
What's your password?
Say hi!
Hi!
Hi, so my name is Mateo
My
Dong.
name is Mateo. I'm not Dong!
What's your name then?
Mateo lang!
Mateo lang?
Huh?
What are you watching? Can you show us that? What's this? Who's this?
Jenny! Rose, it's Rose!
Who's Rose?
Meron pala siyang ex! Bro!
It's like this? What? You hate Blackpink?
Yes!
Why do you hate Blackpink?
I don't like K-pop very much. I like P-pop.
I thought you like BTS.
Last year, I like... Yes!
What?
Yes! Beanie!
Who
I
is
like
that?
them.
Who is
it's
that?
a Nations girl group.
What?
It's a girl group.
From?
Consists of 8 members.
From what country?
Dito, Philippines.
Philippines?
Yes.
Do they take a bath or no?
What? Why are you telling them so dirty questions?
I'm asking if they wash themselves. Are they ano?
They also ligo. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Have you seen them ligo?
No.
Oh. Oh, it went off. What happened? Oh, it went on again. It went on again. How do you zoom in?
No, you don't. Walang zoom in.
Who's that? Ooh.
It's ate. She's enjoying her food and she's very multitasker. You stop multitasking.
Let's do an interview.
Yes.
Sir, what's your name, sir?
Wait lang. It's Mateo.
Your name's what?
Mateo.
Full name.
Juan Mateo Lapus Laksa.
How old are you?
12
12 what?
years old.
Okay, what year are you born?
2012.
2012?
April 2.
April 2, 2012.
Yes.
Where are you born?
Pasig City.
Pasig City?
Yes.
Oh, what hospital?
Medical City.
Medical City?
Yes.
What room number?
I don't know what's
You
the
don't-
room number.
You don't know? Who's your doctor? You don't know too?
No.
Oh my god. You don't know anything. Who's the nurse?
I don't know.
Who's your dad? Who's your dad?
Alan Laksa.
Full name?
Alan Michael Manlangit Laksa.
Who's your mother?
Jerin Laksa.
Full name?
Jerin Lapus Laksa.
How old are they? How old are your father? How old is your father?
My Joe father
You don't know?
is
Oh my god, you don't
30,
you don't know.
39 and my
Oh my
mom
god,
is
you,
40.
your mom is what?
40?
Oh my god, you're not even sure. Why aren't you sure?
I'm sure, of course.
How old is your, do you have a brother?
Yes.
How many?
1,
How old is he?
6.
He's 6? What is
Yes.
his name?
Joaquin Marco Laksa.
Full name?
Joaquin Marco Lapus Laksa.
How old is he?
6.
6. Does he go to school?
Yes, we go to school. We go to the
What's your
same
school?
San Isidro Labrador Catholic School.
How old is your brother?
6.
6? What grade is he?
1.
Grade 1?
Yes.
How about you?
Grade 7.
Do you have a crush?
Yes.
Boy or girl?
Boy, girl.
What's her name?
I don't have a crush in school, but
Okay.
I have crush on P-pop groups.
Paper Pro? What's her name? What's her name?
Her name is
You don't even know her name?
Mika Lim!
Who is that?
Mika Lim!
Oh my God, how about your little brother?
He's so makulit and so OA.
What are you doing? Oh no, no.
Don't take it!
What
No!
are you doing? What's your brother doing?
OA. He's
OA?
overacting.
Hey, go to Papa Jeff. Go to
Go,
Papa
go,
Jeff.
go, go, go!
We're doing an interview. An interview.
Interview! Interview! Huwag kang makagaw!
Interview. Go to Papa Jeff.
Papa Jeff! Papa Jeff ka!
Okay, let's finish the interview.
Okay, okay.
What's the name of your crush?
Mika Jana Jimenea Lim.
Can we see her photos? Can you see what
Yes.
she looks like?
Yes!
Do you have a photo of her?
Photo card lang.
Show.
Mix, para sa'yo to. I
Okay.
love you.
How old is she? How old is she?
She's 20 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 12.
Oh my, you're underage. What can you say about that? You're underage. You're not even 18. Does your dad know about it? Does your mom know about it?
Yes, she knows about it.
Is she fine with it or no?
Medyo fine lang.
What?
Medyo fine lang, pero...
Why not you fine? Only a yes or no?
Maybe. Yes, they're fine. They're fine with it.
What is little brother? Okay, you take it. Okay, you take the camera.
Thank you.
Ano ba yan? Dati next. That guess me. The interview is over. How games? So on the good day. Wala yung pinagpilinan.
My brother's on the
And the other one, this one. He doesn't like this game. It's called word script. Find Greece.
Wait, I know. Victoria.
What? Look what your brother's playing, oh. Can I have this? I'll video it. Little brother's playing? What game are you playing? Word
Countries.
Word puzzle. Word puzzle.
Is countries.
Two of you are gonna play?
No! Teka lang.
Do you still have storage? It's already 8 minutes long. Okay?
Wait, wala pa. Uy! Okay, so... Togo. Saan si Togo? Mongolia.
Can you find it?
Mongolia. Here? Yes!
Wow, you're so good.
Venezuela. Venezuela. Iraq.
Any more?
Iraq. Somalia.
Can you find any more?
Wait.
You only have 1 minute left. You're running out of time.
Laos. Where's Laos? Laos. No.
Can you find it? Do you want me to help you? It's over here, oh.
Oy.
It's over here.
Laos.
Move your hands away so the camera can see.
Togo. Somalia. Wait.
You're running out of time.
So...
Go faster.
Ay. Laos. Spain. Wait.
You're so slow.
Wait, I don't know.
Here's Iraq, oh. I'll help you.
Iraq.
Let's find Spain. I'll help you now.
Somalia.
Spain.
Natitira na lang si
Spain
Somalia.
is over here. Here, oh.
Spain.
Somalia, where's Somalia?
Somalia na lang.
Somalia, where is it? Over here.
Wait.
Here. Somalia. So easy.
I don't like this
Ito
game.
yung ano.
So hard.
How do you end the video? How do you end this?
Wait, I know.
It's already 10 minutes long.
Okay.
Are we taking a video again?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is
What is Joaquin doing?
He's playing cellphone ni ate.
What game is he playing?
What game is that?
What game is that?
Supermarket Simulator.
What?
Supermarket Simulator.
What is that?
It's a game.
Look at Ate Mino. She's still eating.
She's so hungry.
She's so slow. She eats like a turtle.
What? No, don't say that. Ate, Kuya Jason saying you eat like a turtle.
Have you heard the story of the turtle and the bunny?
Yes.
Who won that race?
The bunny.
No,
Ay,
it's
the
a turtle.
turtle.
Oh my
The
god.
turtle.
I thought you knew.
Joke. You can buy.
So who's faster, the bunny or the turtle?
The bunny.
But why did the bunny lose?
Because he slept and he took a break of a carrot.
What
And
did you learn from that? Do you have any lesson learned? Do you have anything you learned from what the bunny did?
being lazy is not accessible.
It's easily accessible though. You can do it anytime. So
Lazy
What?
doesn't pay you hopeness?
oh my, what?
I don't know.
Did you hear what she said?
Oh,
Can you repeat it?
can you repeat it?
I can.
Or what?
I get a bit.
How about you? Let's go back to you. What did you learn from that?
So don't be lazy. And
That's
like
all?
no, joke lang.
What?
Buhay hindi karera.
That's it? That's it?
Yes.
From that story, from being lazy, all you learned is buhay ay hindi karera?
Yes.
Oh my god. Uy. Look at your little brother, oh. Whoop. He's playing games. How about you?
My phone is dead. My phone is dead.
What's your battery?
My phone is not dead. It's
What
just
phone is that?
touch.
Are you a fan of basketball?
A little.
What's your favorite basketball team?
GSW, Lakers, and Bulls.
If you can only pick one, which team is your favorite?
GSW.
Why?
Before I tried to become Steph Curry.
You wanted to become Steph Curry?
Yes, I have a jersey.
Of Steph Curry?
Yes,
Why Steph Curry of all people?
because
There are other great basketball players like LeBron James.
Victor Wembanyama.
Yeah, and sure. So why Steph Curry?
Because I remember before
Before what?
I tried when I was young. You see,
Yeah.
my dad was playing basketball before.
And
I tried coming with him on courts in
Yes.
NIA. And we basketball camp there. And I didn't come to the last day because I was recovering.
oh, so your favorite basketball player is Steph Curry.
Yes.
You wanted to be like him, or no?
A little.
No?
No. All I want is to become myself because
Yourself. Wow.
Okay. Grabe naman outfit check ni Kuya Jason.
What?
Grabe
Don't
naman.
inspect my legs. How about we inspect your legs? Let's move up your
Oh yeah. No.
No?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't like Roblox and it's just for kids.
You
Because
can play Wordscape like the game you played.
I don't
Isn't
want.
that game quite good? Not only it broadens your vocabulary but also helps you understand different types of words.
Yeah.
What?
The
Wordscape is good. You can play again. Word search play. It's called word search.
I don't like it. I just
What is this?
Oh my god!
Look at this, oh.
Bro, why? Why?
Look at that.
Why? What happened? It's a light.
It's like a mark.
I think it's from your bed.
What?
I think it's from your bed.
What then?
Whoa, you have Microsoft Teams.
I have this, oh. Word search. Let's continue playing. Oh, there's an ad. No, there's an ad.
Ah!
Let's play Wordscapes.
Ano?
This is the game for Wordscapes is for the intelligent.
Wait.
I'll
Wow.
hold the camera. For the time. Move your hand away.
Wait. Wait.
What? You can figure it out?
Balls. Wait.
What?
Lisa. Bia.
You can't even figure one word out.
Sibla. I don't know.
Try abs.
More.
Abs. ABS.
Abs. No, yeah.
Oh, there's no. Oh, there is? Wow.
Yeah. Solid. Bliss. No. Ayaw?
Lab. Try lab.
Say.
Lab. Is there lab? LAB. LAB.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So good.
Leah.
Now I need to pick up
Bali.
Wait.
Wait. Basin. Ay. Basin. Basin?
Basil. Yes.
Oh, wait.
Bail. Try bail. Or seal. Seal. Ay, there's already seal. Try bail. B-A-I-L.
Yes. Wait. Let's.
Bills. Try bills. S. Is there a word like that? Oh, no.
Let's give it. Yes.
Bias. Try bias.
Bias.
B-A-B-I-A.
Bias. Oh!
Wow.
And there's another one.
Slab. S-L-A-B.
Yeah.
Wow, so good. You're so good. Next level.
Yeah. Level 50.
Level
What?
50.
Two.
What's that?
This is so
No,
hard.
exit those.
It's so
Go,
hard.
go. Next level. No. Put it like this. So for the camera can see too.
Okay.
Okay?
Sugar again?
Can you figure any word out? Try lean. Lean. L-A-A-N.
I'm
Wow.
smooth criminal. Okay.
Try ale.
Lie.
Do you know ale?
Ale. No.
Ay, ale? Oh. Nail. Try nail. I-L.
Yeah. Nailed it.
Sugar again? What? Sugar.
Neil.
I think I was
Lan. La. Nail. Lie. Ay, wait. Let's give it. Lin. Nail. Anil. Nila.
Try alien. Alien.
Alien.
You spelled it wrong. A-L.
Alien. Wait.
Line. Try line. Oh, wow. So good.
Okay. Next one. So, what's next? And take off.
Is there a lane already? Lane? Oh, wow.
What?
So good.
What? I don't know. Wait. Bro, I heard you have some Microsoft Teams.
There's no more. Hey, Joaquin Marco. Look over here.
You chat. You chat here.
Don't look at the chat. And the camera. So what game is playing?
Yes. Yeah.
Sa exit. Ayun yun dito. Uy, si Mona Lisa ba yan?
Halika na, sa kabila naman tayo. Okay, let's go, let's go. Ayaw mo na may gold, no? Dapat na may gold.
What? Sa tagal nating nagpupunta dito, ngayon lang tayo napadpad sa part na to. No? Mm. Throw pillow. Ah. Sige, go. May bedroom pala. Bedroom ba? Bunk bed.
Wow! 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 Wow!
Balcony bunk bed.
Dad!
Wow, sarap ah.
Do something here.
Come on, bebe.
I'm drinking some water.
Wow. You're drinking some water?
Yes, I'm drinking some water.
Ay, nakahang. Mas kailangan pa natin. Sayang naman. Yan okay no, yan na lang bed mo.
Joke. Wala ka na.
We're offering fantastic discounts up to 30% on selected delicious breads and pastries and this Swedish.
Asa yung sayo mo? Paling yung sayo mo? Galing Galing Yung sayo Parang kulang pa sa palangkot Ito nga? Hindi ka ba naman?
Oy, mas mababa. Lower.
Our store will be closing in
30 minutes? Magko-close na sila.
Medyo ako naman mama dyan, moonwalk habang ice cream. Sayo ka na sa'yo, uwi na tayo. Tagpili ka na. Paano gagawin natin?
Ano?
Saan nakapark si na kuya?
Sa B2. Para meron na lang silang papanoorin.
Yung ID mo, wala na sa akin, ha?
Hi! Brown out. Sasara na sila. Tulog na. Ay, ang dilim.
Video pa na.